understand how this is not a Christmas film. I am confusion. I'm confused. Hi guys, it's Ali. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be revisiting the Jack palette from the Nightmare Before Christmas collection that Revolution launched. I did use this palette to sort of create this vampy Christmassy type look, and yesterday's video I had a more Halloween themed look, so if you guys want to see that, I will leave a link in the description box down below. In that video I also review the palette and do some swatches, but today we are literally just creating a look. I decided that I wanted to do a Halloween meets Christmas look because that's kind of what the film's about, so it felt very appropriate. I know a lot of people will be like, it's too early for Christmas looks, what is you doing? But y'all be watching a Christmas film at Halloween, so what? Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Is The Nightmare Before Christmas a Christmas film or is it a Halloween film? Me and my friends, we have this debate every single year, and I don't understand how this is not a Christmas film. I am confusion. I'm confused. Leave a comment in the comment section down below as to what you guys think. I'm super interested to find how many of you guys classify this as a Halloween film and how many of you classify it as a Christmas film. Or you might be in the middle and you might see it as both. That is also something that I'd like to know. So leave a comment in the comment section down below. But today I will just be showing you guys how I achieved this look. I do have different variations as well within this video showing you guys how this looks without a sort of vampy lip. So make sure you tune into that if you kind of want more of a Christmassy vibe. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. The first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelid, and today I'm using the Ultimate Eye Base in the shade Medium. I did use dark on yesterday's look, but couldn't find the dark one today, so medium will have to do, and I'm pretty sure any primer will do, but I'm using just a dry beauty blender to sort of blend out this shade. And that's like legit purely because I don't want to use my finger. That's it. That is the only reason. The first colour I'm going to go in with is a crease colour, so I'm using this shade Pumpkin Song right here. I don't really know what to call this because it's not quite burnt orange. It's like a burnt orange mixed in with brown, so it's an orangey type brown, but not quite brick. But this is what I'm using in the crease, and I'm just lightly applying this shade. Now going back in with that same brush I used at the beginning, I'm going to touch my brush into Barrel and a little bit of Mare, and I'm going to just add this to the crease just to deepen it up a little bit. Now just taking my finger and this shade Oogie's Layer, I'm just going to pack this on to my lid. I absolutely adore this green colour. When I first thought of doing a Christmas look with this palette, I had a tough time deciding between a red look or a green look. At one point I thought I'd do both, but I kind of just, the more I looked at this shade, the more obsessed I got with it. It is absolutely stunning. That is so pretty. Yes. So I'm just packing this on until I'm pretty much happy with the colour that we have. As you guys can see, today's look is not like a super cut crease. It's just freehand. That's the word I was looking for. So just applying this with my finger. And look how pretty that colour is. Stunning. And now going back in with that very first brush, I'm just going to blend this green into the crease shade. Once I've blended out that green shade, I am going to deepen up the look just a little bit. Like I said in the beginning, this is sort of a Christmas meets Halloween type look. So I don't want it to be too vibrant. I want it to pop, but not too much. If I was going to make this all sort of festive, then we definitely would have a different look. I will film one towards the Christmas time so you guys kind of know what I'm talking about. When I was doing this eye earlier, I definitely was getting like Shigo vibes. I don't know if you guys have seen Kim Possible, but that is definitely the vibe that I was getting. So I'm just packing this on to the edge here. So I'm just going to leave that packed on there, and now taking another small brush, I'm dipping into the shade Barrel, Hinterlands and Mare, and I'm just going to blend these into the black and drag them across and over. So this is just going to deepen up that crease just a tad more than it already is. I'm also going to blend out the black. Okay. Now we're going back in with our crease shade Pumpkin Song, and I'm blending it in to that trio that I just put on. So we smoked out that eye, and my favourite part now is going back into Oogie's lair and a flat brush and re-intensifying that green that I absolutely love. I said it in the Fenty Beauty video, I am obsessed with green. I love how green looks on me. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Literally obsessed. Before I head off camera to do the rest of my face, I am going to take this shade Zero, which is just this shimmery red. And I'm using this shade in my inner corner just to spruce up the look a little bit. I just felt like a red inner corner would just add to the Christmas vibe. I'm going to head off camera to do the rest of my makeup, and then I'll come back and finish the eye. And we'll also change the lip as well to something more Christmassy. So I'll be right back. I added some bronzer, concealer, highlight, etc. Now I'm going in with a mascara. So I'm just using my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara in the shade Because I'm Black. And I'm just adding a coat of mascara to the lashes. And now in typical Ali C style, I'm going in with a black pencil liner, and I'm just lining my lower lash line. It adds an intensity. We love to see it. We love to see it. For the lower lash line, I am going in with a bit of a mixture. So I'm using this shade here, Jack's House, which is like a shimmery black, and Oogie Boogie, which I've used all over the lid. So I'm just blending these two shades together, and I'm hoping to get a sort of smoky green. And I'm literally just going to apply it. Yep. Jack's House has a slight blueness to it, so I'm using less of that product and more of the Oogie Boogie shade, but it is creating a really nice sort of midnight bluey green teal shift. I'm also going to blend a tiny bit of Hinterlands into that lower lash colour so that it sort of blends into the side over here. Just going to do the same over here. Now I'm taking a black liquid liner and I'm just drawing a line as close to the upper lash line as possible. This I just find helps my lashes blend better, because I swear the amount of videos where the lashes literally look like they're falling off my eyelid is actually appalling at this point. So this is how everything looks now that I've added some lashes. You could definitely leave the look here if you wanted to. I feel like this is a very nice sort of evening Christmassy look, but I'm a little bit extra, So I am going to go in with a different lip colour. So I am going in with my Fenty Beauty Lip Stunner in the shade Unmatched. So we're going to get rid of the nude lip that I have now. Why do I always make a mess with liquid lipsticks? Like, who lets me use these products? So I've added a red lip and it's definitely a lot more Christmassy now. I do really like how this looks. I am a messy person, especially when it comes to these stunner lip paints. I don't know why, but I always get it where it's not supposed to be at. But I am gonna just add one more thing to this look, just to do something different. I want to try it. So if it doesn't work, that's my bad. I couldn't resist. I had to do a black lip. I said it was Halloween meets Christmas at the beginning, and I feel like mission accomplished. I feel like this is very vampy, very Halloweeny, but also very Christmassy and festive at the same time. So I'm pretty content with how this looks. If you have anything that you would like me to film, then go ahead and leave that in the comment section down below. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more content, and I will see you guys in my next video.